I wonder why this thing wasn't working. Huh? Beats me.
Autocorrected. We don't make mistakes. We make custom modifications.
Today, we're going to be taking these shocks off. And as you can see, Isaac has already started cleaning the frame. Looks pretty good. And still got a lot more to do. And eventually this whole frame and everything is going to be painted. And rust coated prevented. And also today we're taking out this fuel tank sending unit and pump and the tank itself. So stick around. I'm glad you decided to visit. Check that out. Tank is bone dry. Gotta have a leak in it. I wonder why this thing wasn't working. Huh? Beats me. Yeah, see, there's a cover. You can see the outline of the cover here. There's a cover that goes, and I guess to protect it from getting hit, but it got mud and dirt in there, and there's holes all in it. I'll show you the cover on the inside. See, there's the inside of the cover. See the mud and everything in there. So that's what caused it to rot, basically. So I'm glad I got it out. Glad to know what the problem is. All right, team. So once I got that tank out, that was a relief. You know, I guess if I would have put fuel in it beforehand, I would have known that it would have had a bad leak. But I was just playing on the assumption that it had a little bit of fuel in it. But, you know, it's okay. I was going to have to take the tank out anyways, and that just saved me from wasting a bunch of fuel on the ground. So it's all good. So now, just as you can see, I was just cleaning up the frame a little bit, spraying off some dust and dirt. And here in a little bit, you'll see I had some wiring issues with the rear part of the harness. Now you can see the connector that connects to the rear lights, but I had a couple wires I didn't quite know what were, and so I ended up finding that out. I had Isaac help me, like push the brake, turn the blinkers on, and see which one went to what. And I have one power wire that goes back there that's hot all the time. I just went and blocked it off and labeled it. It had a kind of an old man's camper on it with a wiring harness there. With a wiring harness went up to the third brake light. So I imagine, I don't know what that would have all-time hot power been for, but I don't need it. And of course, one brake light, one of the yellow lights is a brake light. Yellow wires was a brake light, and it went up to the third brake light on the cab, on the camper top. So I had to fix those wires, do a little maintenance there, and but it turned out pretty good. I appreciate you sticking around, and that'll be it for this video. Thanks a lot.